All right, guys, welcome you to the channel. I hope you are doing great. So, in this video, we are going to continue the project. So, in the last video, I have created this entity class user and the repository and role. And on plus side, I have put two value, okay, admin and user. Okay, so for those who are new to this video, please check out the earlier two videos where I have demonstrated what all about this project, and we also how we generated this Spring project and what we have done in the last video. So for that, just go ahead and check out this video. And let's without any further ado, let's continue this project. So I'm going to create a class. Let's call it custom user detail. So in this class, I'm going to implement uh, user detail. Which is given by Spring Security. Okay. So in this method, we have it has multiple method which we need to override here, and we'll also call the user class here. Users. And okay, and annotate this class with argument constructor, new argument constructor, and last getter. Okay, and here we need to override this method. So I'm going to return new collection singleton. That is the one method. Okay, new simple granted authority in this user get role get name. Okay, so it's asking me to make it collection singleton. Okay, so password I'm going to take it from the user then get password. And for username, and we are going to use email as our username. Okay, so I'm going to take it, I mean return user email. And since we don't have any user entity, so we are going to use user email only. And for expiry, account not expired, so for now I'm going to keep it as true. Account unlock is going to take it from the user. After that, what do we have? So is account non-expired? I mean credentials. So for now, I'm going to keep it as true. And is my account enabled? For that, I'm going to take it from user. Okay. So I am done with user class. Let me expand this panel. Okay. So I'm done with the customer user detail. Let me create a package here called service dot I'm going to implement the user detail service, which is given by, again, provided by Spring Security. Let's call it custom user detail service. I'm going to implement that one user detail service, which is, let me import, and it also contains a method that we need to implement here. And don't forget to annotate this class with service, since it is a service class. Okay. Okay, before our adding this method, we need to create a method. I mean, define a method into the repository, which is user, and then find user by email. So we'll input the email. Okay. This is it. Now let's move back to user service plus. Now, let's use the player to call user repository. Now come inside this method, and now I'm going to avoid this one. So let's call it user. It should be entity one. User. Then repository. Find user repository and find the string name. So this username actually is our email, since it's given by. Okay, let's rename it as email. Now, if this email is not equal to null, it should be. Then it should return us new custom user detail inside user, or else then return new user that exception, user not found, and pass the message overlap. Suppose invalid username and password. Okay, we have a one over here. Okay, we should not return this one. It should be true here. And here I messed up something. So I'm also done with this method. Now let's head over to the service class again and create a class to register our user. Okay. So for that I'm going to use a service. Simply call it service. Let's make it interface. After that, define two class. First one void save user. So okay, user request. I will explain what is it. I will explain just. And one more that we need, user find user by email in simple string. Okay, so I'm going to create a payload over here in this user package. I'm going to create a package called payload, and inside this payload, just you can also call this class as a refer class. Okay, should be user request. And this class is going to take multiple fields such as, so those fields I'm going to copy from the user class since we already have them here. Okay, what is the user class? Go to payload and simply close the one. Okay. So for now I don't need role. Name, ID I want, name I want, email I want, password I want, enable okay. Okay, so these are fields that I want in my payload. Now annotate this class with data. It will generate all data setup to posting method and all argument and no argument constructor. Okay, so I'm done with this one. Okay, before moving ahead, let me handle the security first. Let's call it config, then security config. Okay, so annotate this class with configuration annotation and also use enable web security. Okay, and so whenever user will import the password, so it will we are going to decrypt that password. Okay, so for that use the public password encoder and simply return what new decrypt password encoder. After that, one more class that is being public. What is it called? Spring security interchain. Security interchain. Then kitchen inside Fazda security. I'm going to throw exception. It should start with capital. Now HTTP, there are some configuration you have to add. So say let's disable this one. Then authorize HTTP request. So I'm going to keep it simple for now. Later on, when we will be handle our login success and login failure. That time we will make some changes in this method. Okay. For now, I'm going to keep it as simple. Let's do request feature. Okay. Request. Let's for now in request comes. What's going on now? Any request come, I'm going to have it. Oh no. Any all. Okay, then form login inside the form. We are going to use lambda expression here. Then login page. So I want this as my login page. This URL and say login success. Okay. Login success URL. It should be as login again here. And product. Okay, then log out. Then log out convert log out. It should be logout inside the logout configure is the one that I'm going to downsample and then permit, and then come here again. Let's say exception handle, then access interface. Let's call it access denied. We can simply put the comment. After that, return HTTP and build. Okay. So for now, I'm going to leave it this security configuration. So later on, when we will handle the logout and login successful login error, that time we will make some changes here. Okay. After that, just head into the service class again and create a class. So user service implementation is going to implement user service, then implement those two methods. Also annotates this class with the service and import the repository also here. Target user repository, use for Toyota here. So in this one, user, then again user, the builder. Okay, ID will be generated automatically. So I'm going to take the name from the request. Request get name. After that, what we have, role by default role will be okay. Then user. What we have password. Okay, for password I need to input the password and encoder also. Private password encoder. Okay. Encoder dot encoder request get password. What we have done here? Get password. After that, can enable at the time of registration account should be enabled. Okay. So that I'm going to keep it as true. Account non-locked, it is also non-locked. After that, what do we have? Failed item. So at the time of registration, failed item should be 0. After that, enable. It is also keeping it true. And the lock time would be now. Okay, then build. Okay, am I missing something? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then simply call the repository here and save. Save. I'm going to pass user. Okay. And this one, I'm going to return repository and it will return us repository. Okay. So for now, So I'm also done with the service class and your service implementation. Now create a logging logging package. I mean controller package. Okay, controller. Then logging call it logging controller. And it will use annotation with use controller and one more request. Now import auto user service here. User service. Okay, now let's get method inside. Let's sign up public string. This will be a sign up form. Inside we're going to pass model. Now here create a class of user request, then new user request. After that, in the model, I'm going to name it as a user. That would be more appropriate name, I guess. Okay, model, I'm going to add attribute in it, user, then user. Okay, then simply return what sign up. It should be string. Okay, once we return string. So whenever we will hit this URL, it will return as the sign up form. Okay, so for that I'm going to use a template, HTML template inside the HTML folder. Okay, let's call it sign up. Sign up. Okay, so after creating this HTML file, just add this HTML template code. Okay, where I already have implemented. Write all the code. I'm just copy paste. So here in this action, I'm going to call the sign up button. Then it will take the object user. After that, it will take the value of whatever will pass from the user, and it will, then on the action it is going to create an account in the database. Okay. Okay. Before that, I need to add one more method. I mean action method, that is post request. Post mapping. Keep it also as sign up. Then public, then return type would be string, then call this is going to be let's say sign up action, sign up only. Should be sign up. Okay. Okay, so let's keep this method as sign up. After that, inside this one we're going to use valid, which is given by Jakarta. Okay, for that you have to add one more dependency. This is called starter validation. Okay, Spring starter validation. At the time of creation of this project, that time I haven't included this one. So you have to make sure one thing, that you have added this dependency into your form XML. Okay, let's move back to this one. After that, use model attribute. Inside this model attribute, I'm going to use as that is already have included users. After that, you have to add that payload. that we first from the that we have created, and then comma, enter. After the bind this result, binding result, and comma, and the last, that would be model. And simply, okay. So I'm going to check whether I mean I'm going to check if user we cannot use same email ID to create multiple account. Okay, to restrict that, I'm going to check whether user exists or not at first. The email ID that user provided at the time of sign up, is it already exist or not in the database? For that, I'm going to let's call user service, then I find the user, and then take request, then email. Now if user is not null, then simply what it is going to do is going to reject the value. I mean in such way, such result, then reject. What is going to reject? Then null, and the message that I want to return, that user already exists. User already exists. And the second case is going to be if user result has any error. Let's call up this one. Then is going to do is going to add one attribute. Then add attribute, and that attribute is going to be user. Okay, and simply return to sign up. This direction. And in the end, after all the check, and then I'm simply going to call the user service, then user service, then save user, passing the user, request. And then simply return to the just pay attention to this redirect, sign up, success. Use param here, then success. Okay, so at this moment I'm done with the sign up. So whenever we hit this URL, it will take us to this sign up page. After that, we will click on sign up button, register button. At that time, it should save the user method and will return us as success message. Okay, so I think I'm done with all the registration process. Let me run this application now. Whether we can able to register or not. So it's going to take 2 to 3 seconds, 1 to 2 minutes to up and running. Okay. So my application is up and running on this 8084. Let me check on the database if there anything refresh. So currently in my database, in the table, there is no record, right? So let me go to the. Let's open the Chrome. So let's try to go. So my application running on localhost 8080. After that, let's go sign up. Okay, there is some problem. I just need to check out. Wait. So I think I have done something wrong. Currently, it is just returning the string only. It not returning it not giving me the template. What I have done here. So okay. It should be controller, not REST controller. Okay. So just change this one as controller from REST controller. Then return the project. So I already have implemented builder. So builder going to restart this project. Okay. Okay. Go back to the URL and hit it again. Still 4 not found. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. It just started up. Now hit it again. Okay. So we get the form. So from this form we are going to what is it called? We are going to register the user. Let's say JSchool, going to name it, then demo at jschool.com, then password, let's say demo at 123. So if I click on sign up, it should give me this user sign up successful. Okay. So we have successfully signed up a user. Let me check out the database. So here that we have created one user ID. Name is JSchool and role is user, and the password that we already encrypted so that it should not be out of human readable. And failure time at the initial time it should be 0, and account is enabled, which is true. Email something, it is null. Oh, something. Okay, let me hit that again. There is no email. So I think I have done something wrong. Just check out one more time. The email, how is it empty? How is it possible? Maybe I have done something wrong. Let me check out. I'm passing the email or not. So I'm passing the email from the front end, but it's not storing database. Let me check the builder again. Name, role, password. Okay, I missed the email property here. Okay, then save it as email. Then take the email and save it. Let me restart. Let me to restart this project. I mean this application. Then we will go again and try to create the account. Okay. Go back to this one. Let's sign up with the sign up again, and let's say JSchool. And let's demo at jschool.com, and password I'm going to keep it at 1122. And now and sign up. So this time it should be This table should be contain email ID. Okay, now it's okay. At that
That
time
time
I
I
haven't
haven't.
included the email property in the builder. That's why there is a null. It's saved. So this time it imported. I mean it's saved the email ID also. So this is how we
How
are going to sign up the user through the Thymeleaf.
Thymeleaf.
So after that,
That
in the
in
next video, we are going to log in. We are going to handle the login. Okay, how to handle the success login, how to handle the error
error.
error logging, and also
Also,
we are
we are
going
going.
to log the user. I mean, rest of the part we are going to do in the next video. So till then, bye bye, and happy learning. Okay, goodbye.